Welcome back to class, friends. Today we are going to be learning how to multiply fraction with another fraction. Okay? I'm your online tutor, Faith Osebegbe-Uhulu. I hope you're going to learn something new today. Sit back and watch till the end. Let's get right into it. Question 1 says 5/6 times 2/8. Remember the topic says multiplying fraction by fraction. And in doing that, you need to also note that there are some fractions that you can actually reduce to its lowest term. Now, for the first question that says 5/6 times 2/8, 5/6 times 2/8, looking at this fraction, can we actually reduce it? Is there any number that we can reduce here? Now, when you're reducing fraction, you don't reduce your fraction horizontally. You can only reduce fractions vertically or diagonally. Okay, what do I mean by vertically or diagonally? This is a vertical way of reducing a fraction, or diagonally like this. Okay, now here 2 can go into 6. How many times? 3 times. And it can also go into, is either you go into 6 or 2 go into 8. So you choose one. Whichever one you want to reduce, you reduce, but you cannot reduce the 2 at the same time with one numerator. No, you can only reduce two denominators at the same time with two denominators. Okay, now 2 can go into 2 to give us 1, and can go into 8 to give us 4. Right? Can we divide the fraction further? I don't think so. Then we are left with 5 times 1 is 5, and 6 times 4 is 24. And we can't divide further because 5 is an odd number and 24 is an even number. So we're going to stop here with this division. Then question 2, we have 6/11 times 3/10. 3 can't go in 10, neither can it go in 11. But 6 can be reduced with an even number of 2, and it can go into 6 and also go into 10. Now, 2 in 6 will give us what? 3. And 2 in 10 will give us 5. Therefore, 3 times 3 is 9. And 11 times 5 is 55. That's the final answer for this question. Question 3. 4/5 times 2/9. Wow, this is very interesting. Unfortunately, no number can go into any of these denominators. Right? 4 can't go into 5, neither can it go into 9. And 2 cannot go into 9, neither can it go into 5. So what are we going to do in this case? We're going to multiply everything out. So we have 4 times 2 is what? 8. And 5 times 9 is 45. So we just have to stop there. Question 4. 9/10 times 3/14. This is another tough question, because the numerators are odd numbers and the denominators are even numbers. So what do? We'll also multiply them out because we can't reduce the fraction. 9 times 3 is 27, and 10 times 14 is 140. We can't go further than this. We'll have to leave our answer this way. Then question 5. Now, this is a mixed fraction multiplying another mixed fraction. So in order for us to get the answers correctly, we have to expand the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Right? Now we have 8 times 1 is 8, then plus 3 is 11. So we have 11/8 times 9 times 5 is 45, and 45 plus 4 equals 49/9. Now, from this question, can 8 go into 49? It's impossible. Can 9 also go into 49? It is also impossible. So what do? We're going to multiply these numbers out to get our 539 divided by 72. Here, we're going to use the long division method to get our answer in mixed fraction, because we are dealing with fraction and not decimal. So if we convert this to decimal, we'll get 7.48 and thereabout. So we're going to use the long division method to get our answer. Now 72 in 539 will go 7 times, right? 7 times 2 is 14. Remember that one. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 1, 50. So we subtract, and then we have 35. So the answer is what? 7 wholes 35 over 72. That's the final answer for question 5. Okay? Now question 6. 4 wholes 2/5 times 7 wholes 3/8. So here we're also going to expand it as we did here. Alright? As we did in question 5, sorry. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2, 22 over 5 times, so 7 times 8 is 56, and then 56 plus 3 is 59 over 8. Okay, from here we can actually reduce the fraction from 22 and 8. 2 can go here 11, 2 can go here 4. Right, so we have 11 times 59 over 20. 11 times 9 to give us 649 over 20. We're going to use the long division method as well. 649. Now, how many times will 649 divide 20? So we'll start with 3. Because 3 times 20, then we subtract, then we have what? 49. 20 in 49 will go 2 times. 2 times 20 is 40. Then we subtract, we have 9. So here the answer is what? 32 wholes 9, 20. 32 wholes 9, 20. I know that it might look somehow difficult, but trust me, it's very simple. Okay, just follow the steps and you get it right. It's very easy to multiply fraction with another fraction. Okay. Alright, so we've come to the end of today's lesson. Please do well to like, leave a comment in the comment section, share the video, and lastly, subscribe. Okay, do have a wonderful week. Bye.